Here's the uncomfortable truth. A lot of repair shops are not losing because they do bad work. They're losing because they make it too hard to become a customer. Today, people do not search the way they used to. They ask voice assistants, rely on AI summaries, compare reviews fast, and contact the first shop that feels trustworthy and easy to reach. If your website is slow, your Google profile is weak, or your phones go unanswered, you are invisible at the exact moment a customer is ready to book. The winning shops are building trust fast with reviews, warranties, clear service pages, click-to-call, booking links, and immediate follow-up. Imagine a local shop getting 40 inquiries a month, but missing 10 calls and replying to web forms the next day. By tightening response time, adding chat, and simplifying booking, that same shop can turn existing traffic into significantly more appointments. If you want more booked jobs without gambling on more ad spend, start by fixing the customer journey from first click to confirmed appointment.